Hi, my name is Mike Millard. I'm a semi-retired journalist. I now work for a website weekends only, so I can go to the beach during the day here in Corfu. We've been here about a year and a half and have been renovating a house, which is nearly done, and so far so good. Why did we choose Corfu? In 1980, I was backpacking across Europe, and I happened to stop in Corfu briefly. But I always kept Corfu in the back of my mind as a place that seemed very nice. And then fast forward to my semi-retirement from the journalism business, and my wife and I decided, due to various considerations, taxes, medical costs, things like that we wanted to live somewhere outside the United States. We also like to travel. We decided Corfu was the spot. How did I find Andy Marshall, my real estate agent in Roula, Rouva? I actually sent a lot of messages from the U.S., mail messages to various realtors, and then when I came over, I talked with them and I met them. And frankly, Andy stood out. He was very likable, he was very helpful, and he was very knowledgeable. He's been here 30 years. He knows everything about North Corfu. Frankly, the best realtor I ever worked with. So how did our real estate process go? Real estate transactions particularly are not an easy thing in Greece because there are many family encumbrances to deal with. There are government regulations, some of them new, some of them old. But all these things have to be dealt with, and Andy shepherded us through that process. To be honest, we couldn't have done it without him. How is living in Corfu? Life in Corfu is very different than life in the U.S. It's slower, it's more enjoyable, the food is better. I'd truly like to thank Andy Marshall and in Roula, Rouva Real Estate for enabling us to come to Corfu and find the life that we were looking for. We couldn't have done it without him, and all I can say is thanks, Andy.